After the sit-in demonstration at Malki grounds Shillong, 5 leaders of the COMSO proceeded to the Raj Bhavan to meet the Honourable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Mallick, to discuss with him their demand for ILP and mrssa in the state. Speaking to newspersons after the meeting, the Secretary of COMSO, Kupar Synrem, informed that the discussion was a cordial one, wherein the Governor had given an ear to the request of the organisation and had also assured them that he would meet with concerned leaders of the Union Ministry in New Delhi to voice the concerns of the people of Meghalaya for the safety and security of the indegenious people of the state. While speaking about future agitational programs, Kupar Synrem said that such programs would still continue unless and until ILP is implemented in Meghalaya.
Okay, today from COMSO, 5 of us, the leaders of COMSO, have met the Governor of the state regarding the 2 issues. One is to seek his intervention with the Union Home Ministry regarding the implementation of ILP in the state. So during the first issue, we have explained to him why as the indigenous people of the state we need ILP, we need special protection in the form of ILP system. He has told us that he is with us on this issue. He told us that whatever it's in his capacity as the governor of the state, he'll help the state find intervening in this issue with the Union Home Ministry. He has also given us an assurance that him, along with the Chief Minister of the state, together they'll be going to meet the Union Home Minister in the next few days in Delhi to press upon the government in Delhi that ILP system should be implemented in the state of Meghalaya. Regarding the mrssa, he said that that file is still with the governor, technically with the governor, because during the month of March, it was the earlier governor, Mr. Tathagata Roy time, it was passed and it was sent to him. So when he assumed office, he's still looking into the matter, and he has also assured us that if this bill is for the protection of the people of the state, for the safety and security of the residents, he'll always give the thing that for the protection of the people. He has also given us one example that when he came as the governor of the state, when the Legislative Assembly of the state passed a bill regarding the migrant workers, he said that it takes him only two days to pass the bill because he understands that these kind of laws are needed for the indigenous people of the state. So he said that he told us to be patient, to wait for the right time, and as time reaches that he'll look into the matter of mrssa, and if he thinks that it is for the indigenous people, he'll give an assent to the bill. So as far as we understand, it was a good and cordial discussion with him, and we hope that whatever he has discussed with us, his action also matches with what he has spoken to us.
So does that mean the the agitation will come down?
No, see, the agitation will go on. We have not. We will be sitting for a meeting. Then the programs, the agitational program will go on until and unless ILP is implemented. Because we understand this may be a political ploy of the state government as well as the central government. So we don't want to be complacent. So the agitation will go on until and unless the ILP is implemented in the state.
Did they give a time frame as to when they'll go?
As far as he said that he'll be going to New Delhi in the next week, in the 18 or 19 of this month. So let's see if he goes that time. Maybe he'll meet the Union Home Minister along with the Chief Minister. We have also impressed upon him our demand. It should not, as we were saying, it should not be only the Chief Minister or the state. All the 60 MLAs should accompany the governor of the state to meet the Union Home Minister. So he has taken that suggestions that we give. Let's see if he act upon it or not.
Thank you.